Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today on J and A, today we're going to be making another glossy slime. But today I have my sister here, Rose. Say hi, Rose. She's a little shy. Okay, well first we're going to put the glue in. Okay, you put only one, that's enough. Look. Okay, now we're gonna put some food coloring in, but this time we're gonna do paint, not food coloring. Let's make this a light blue.
Why can't you just
let's
do lots of different colors?
No,
it looks super cool.
Okay. There's the blue. Now we're gonna mix. Oh darn, we forgot to just it's right here.
It's green.
Now we're gonna mix.
If you notice, the spatula is a little dirty. We just made another slime earlier on this channel. And now it's turning out like a baby blue. It's really pretty.
Okay, now we're gonna add the context in solution. Okay, now mix. Okay, if you add like the context in solution about like 3 times, Rose, you can add it, and it's still like not working out, that probably means you need some baking soda. Rose, you can put that in. And that's probably what we're gonna have to do because we do it a lot. So you have to do that by hand.
I didn't know.
Okay, now we're gonna add some baking soda.
Can I go? I'm going first.
Just wait after the video.
Why can't I make this one by myself?
You can, but you need to get one. Guys, be quiet. Okay, now it's starting to come together a little bit. Yeah, we need a little bit more context.
I thought this was baking too.
Funny, okay. Okay, that's it.
Sure.
Okay, this is definitely together now.
We'll give you a slime reveal in 3, 2, 1. Slime reveal. It's so nice and stretchy. Nice and pops. Really nice. And it goes like slime. It's so fun.
This is our glossy slime today, so make sure you subscribe to our channel. Yes, subscribe to our channel and give us
this
a
one not sticky. And give it a big thumbs up. And we'll see you on next time. Goodbye.